What's up, it's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a case for the OnePlus N30. And so, it's a brand new case that I want to check out. It's called the Poetic Revolution case. And so this is going to be a nice case. It's going to come in the black color. It's going to offer some really good protection. So basically I have the N30 right here, and it's a glossy material. So we want to make sure we have a case that's going to protect the back of it. I definitely think this device has a nice body to it. But let's go ahead and take a look at the case. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be taking a look at a case for the OnePlus Nord N30. And this is the, 5G model with black, and it's going to come with the this case from Poetic called the Revolution. And so it's going to be able to protect the back of the phone from scratches, also from scuffs. So without any more talking, let's go ahead and get the box open. All right, so I'm just going to cut right here. All right, cool. All right, so this is everything that's coming inside the box right here. And you have the N30 right here. So we're going to put a case on there. You can see a little bit of a fingerprint on the side of the phone. So you definitely want to protect it from oils or whatever, so you don't actually see all those marks on it while you're using it. It's pretty straightforward when it comes to the, installation guide. It says open from the lower right corner and then split front and then back and case entirely, and then snap the front onto the phone, and then also enclose the front into the back case, and then make sure buttons are lined up and edges are sealed with the front frame. And then it says installation would be complete. And so you basically get that guide right here again on the other side. When it comes to this part, you do get two-piece right here. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out. It's actually wrapped in some styrofoam, and then this actually has a screen protector built right into the case. So it's a hard case cover. And you see we have the other side right here with the kickstand. So this is actually a kickstand. It can stand up vertically or horizontally. And so you get that solid screen protector. You can see the cutouts as well as the overall materials. You could get different patterns, and these edges right here are grooved with a material that's kind of glossy, so it's actually easy to grip onto. And then you're also going to get the bumper protection on here. So you're going to get 3 little grooves right here for grip on the top and on the bottom. So that's definitely going to help out with some grip. And then you get the ridges on the side to hold on to when you have the phone like resting in your hand like that. You have those ridges with the grip on them. So that's going to definitely feel pretty nice when you're holding it from the back. Pause, and then you can see the cutout right here for the camera with the Poetic on the little kickstand. So that has the Poetic branding, and it has a nice little click when you pop it off. So, what I'm saying, we're going to go ahead and put this on the N30 from OnePlus. I definitely like the placement of the buttons when it comes to these cases. You can see we have the fingerprint right here. We also have the speaker, the Type-C, the microphone, and then the 3.5 millimeter. And then on this side, we're going to have the buttons and the SIM remover tool right there, slot right there with the microphone up top. So that's how the buttons are going to be cut out when it comes to this case. And so you can see on this case, it does also cover the port for the 3.5 millimeter and then the Type-C cable. So you do get those covered ports this is going to be good for dust if you work in like a factory or something like that. But you basically put your finger in here from the bottom corner to get it open. That's the first step. Then you can just kind of pop this guy out. But you want to make sure you have those 2 corners, the top corner and the side one. And then you can take that off. And then the first thing you're going to do is put the front on. But one of the things that I think they did do is they gave you the option to use this guy right here, so you don't actually have to use the screen protectors. So obviously this device has a screen protector built in, but you know, I mean, it is kind of scratched right now, so that's the only thing about it. So I'm gonna keep it on there, but you could also use the one that they provided. So first thing you're gonna do is put the front on the phone, and let's go ahead. You can see the alignment of the the button cutouts are good, and the power button has a groove to it. We're gonna put the harder shell on the top of here. So let's like actually fit this part inside of here and just do a couple clicks on the top and on the sides, and then make sure like everything is kind of tucked in right there. And then you got the last part right here, which is this lip, and then you align that. You can see the fingerprint cut out and how nice that groove feels when I put my fingerprint there. Let's try my other finger because it's not unlocking. It's actually asking for a pin number. So let me try that one more time. Okay, so yeah, the fingerprint sensor is actually nice. You do get those cutouts on the bottom for your port to cover it from dust protection. Like if you're going to the beach or something like that, this is actually going to be a pretty solid case, but I wouldn't recommend like bringing it to a beach unless you like kept it in a waterproof bag. I actually bought one of those recently. But you can see the cutouts for the camera look absolutely stunning right there. That just looks really stunning when it comes to the overall like look of that. That looks pretty crazy when it comes to the overall design. So I definitely like this style from Poetic. It's called the Revolution. This is one of my favorite styles. I have this style on my tablet from Samsung, my A7. And so yeah, this is gonna be a really solid case. It just looks really rugged, but it's also gonna be look really stylish, and it's not gonna be too like bulky or whatever. And it has it has some really good grip too. So it definitely feels good in the hand with these pieces right here. And then you get that kickstand. But let me know what you guys think about the Poetic Revolution for the OnePlus N30. And I'll check you guys later. I'll get back with you, but make sure you hit the like button. And if you're still here, just type down below in the comment section. I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I'll check you guys later. But so it's really easy to pop that off just from the bottom corner. And then you go ahead and you can pop the one with the screen protector on there. And that slides onto it. And then you just slide the phone right back into this guy and hit all four corners. And then it's pretty much locked in with the screen protector. And you actually get a little bit more grip when you're scrolling. That's the first thing I noticed, is that you could feel that plastic, but it actually doesn't feel bad. It's still pretty responsive, like when it comes to the touch and everything. So it's definitely pretty responsive right here when it comes to it. So it's not going to be that bad when it comes to the screen protector. I definitely think it's going to be, you know, like a solid experience overall. But let me know what you guys think about the Poetic Revolution for the OnePlus Nord N30, and I'll check you guys later. Peace.